Hey friends, today we're going to review decoding and reading two-syllable words with short vowels using the VC-CV pattern. Let's review using the word mitten. Let's see if you can chunk this word out into two syllables. If you recall, VC-CV pattern words are divided into syllables between the two consonants. Vowels often have a short sound when they are followed by two consonants. So let's look at this word mitten. We can divide it into two syllables, mitten, to come up with the word mitten. Your turn. Using the word Sunday, let's see if you can explain how to divide Sunday into syllables and if the letter U should have the short sound or the long sound. Pause this video and talk with your learning guide. Resume the video when you are ready to check your work. Let's see how you did. If you broke Sunday into sun and day with the short vowel sound in sun, you are correct. Give yourself a pat on the back. Let's try two more. Talk with your learning guide and see if you can chunk out the words public and candy into two syllables and try to determine if the vowel sounds U and A are short or long. Ready? Go. Pause this video and come right back to check your work. So how'd you do, friends? If you chunk the word public into pub and lick, you are correct in between the two consonants B and L with a short vowel sound If you chunk the word candy into can-D, you were correct as well. Great job breaking these words into two syllables. In the end, we've decoded and read two-syllable words with short vowels. Good luck today as you complete your workbook.